Okay, welcome back to the one trade. This is the one. Today is March the 2nd, 10:16 a.m. PST. So I'm feeling reluctant to open the chart because we see the weird pattern from last Friday, and it is super volatility and some weird pattern, and it's not tradable. Last Friday is not tradable and below 2 account. I didn't realize that. So starting from today, I need to figure that out. So if there is some abnormal pattern happens and the chart is behaving like abnormal, then I should stop. I should not trade for that day. Yeah, that's one of the skills I need to learn. When something weird, abnormal happens, then the market becomes crazy. Then none of the indicator, technical analysis, or anything, none of these things will work. Malfunction. So just stop trading. I need to figure that out. I need to realize that. I need to learn the skill. Um, yeah. So starting from today, I need to master like uh, expecting the right opportunity and control my stop loss. Each of my stop loss should not exceed like 150 to 200, well, literally less than 200. So you can see when I see a RSI divergence, okay, of course this is uptrend. There's no question for that. But if we look at 1 hour chart, it's getting a verified resistance level. So there will be a meaningful pullback here. And we'll see, okay, based on where the price action are about to entering into the verified resistance level for a bigger time frame, then on 5 minute chart, the RSI divergence happen. That means the upward momentum is keep decreasing or vanishing, is keep going down. I'm not sure to go short at this uptrend is very intimidating, so I only set my take profit here, which is the lower bound of this trend line. So I think this is reasonable something. You're gonna follow this trend line. This is previous resistance becomes now support. So this trend line is verified multiple times, like at least 4 times. After it break out, it becomes a support. So I just set my stop loss here, never greedy. And I just wait for this engulfing candle happens. So in the RSI, it shows some like downward something. Then I set my limit order here and gets triggered. Fortunately, I gets triggered. And my stop loss will be somewhere around here, around $100. But I don't set it because just in case some fresh liquidity sweep. And yeah, I must set my take profit here. Oh, it's already halfway. Very nice. We'll see. Hmm. Okay, based on this setup, this is another engulfing. So we can set a stop loss somewhere. If it gets triggered to here, that means it's probably like uh oh, it seems like I don't need to set it. Do I? Yeah, set my stop loss here, and we'll see. If we are our take profit trigger, will get triggered. Uh, yeah, let's expand it to 250, and align to the downside of the previous resistance. A little bit greedy, and we'll see. Okay, $100. Uh, at least I make $100 for this trade. We'll see. because this is ENA 21, so it becomes sensitive. I just need to trade my stop loss a little bit time, just in case it gets bounced back by the ENA 21. I'm not sure. Maybe you can break out the ENA 21 for a couple of seconds and trigger my take profit. That's why I need to take profit. I don't manually control. So, and on the other hand, I need to trade my stop loss a little bit tight. So when it bounce back, it really bounce back. Overall, this is uptrend. So as I said, I'm feeling intimidated to go short in this uptrend. So I'm gonna trade my stop loss relatively tightly. If I set any, we'll see. Almost, almost, almost. Let's see if it gets triggered. We have 3 more minutes. If it bounce back at this level, bounce back to the up, then it's still back to sideways. But if it breaks, look at NQ. If it breaks something, and then we just let it break and then wait for the retest and downward engulfing. So let's see. The thing is, it will probably get bounced back at EN 21. Because this is only the third time, the third time it retests EN 21. RSI divergence. See, the RSI has fall back to all this level, so probably it will rebound, bounce back. We'll see. There are 2 more minutes. It almost triggered. It reached like 238 just now. We'll see if you're gonna challenge it again and eventually trigger or take profit. If it trigger my stop loss, I'm fine. Okay, last minute. We'll see. NQ still like go down, shows a downtrend, and it does not arrive at the. It looks like you want to break this neck level. If this is a double top, then this is neck. So we'll see this candle and observe the NQ behavior around this trend line. Lower bow. At this time, I'm not gonna move my trailing stop loss. It could potentially oh, it looks like sellers are trying to challenge the Yen 21 again. While for NQ is already break out the Yen 21. Let's see. Hmm. Looks like it gets rejected at Yen 21, still get rejected. So I'm gonna set trade stop loss to secure more profit, $18 more. Uh, so probably I gonna get triggered. My stop loss gonna get triggered and go kick out. Okay, so it bounced back. It ends up this trend is trying to continue. Oh, wait for the compression of this candle and we'll see. So for NQ is trying to it get bounced back by this. We'll see that we'll see. We'll wait for the compression of this candle and see. But at least we make like 113. That's good. Now we just need to see. We just need to see the compression of this 5 minute candle. Good thing is it's not a big candle. Okay, both NQ and ES breakout. So overall is uptrend. We'll put the order limit order here, and we'll put a limit order here, and we'll see which one gets triggered. Mm. Oh, oh, NQ does not. It's not engulfing. If NQ and they are not engulfing, then I probably need to exit the limit order, cancel the limit order. But yes, it's still engulfing. Because this is the RSI divergence. So I think it's still lack of upward momentum. That's why I put a very conservative limit order. If it gets triggered, then probably means it's still sideways. See? Bounce back. So once something gets triggered, I cancel the other order. I cannot like get into an order for both NQ and ES at the same time. Oh, looks like NQ wants to go down. I guess NK will be triggered early on. Even it's more conservative. ES shows more downward, upward, but NQ just shows parallel sideways. Even I don't get triggered, I'm fine because it looks like now it's like sideways, continuous sideways. Although it keeps getting defended by Yen 21. Who knows? Maybe I just need to respect the trend line and set a 225, and I make 200 for the first trade. Um, oh, oh, it bounced back. So it almost get triggered, but it does not, and it getting bounced back. I guess 2 more minutes, we'll see. Still sideways. Let's hold on. But it looks like for ES it's already sideways. It's already has intention to the upside. We'll see if it retests again for the bottom and get us on board. Yeah, make it bigger so you can see clear. Defended by EN 21. Both lines get defended. I don't know. It looks like it's still sideways. Sideways. Last minute. We'll see. You're gonna engulf? Oh, no. Sideways. Maybe I should not get into the trade. We'll see the defense of EN 21, but now NQ just engulf. Okay, I'm in the trade. Then we'll see. After here, now it's still too early to talk about take profit. We need to think of mm, like stop loss. The EN 21 still defending. Even there's a RSI divergence, and RSI up to this point, it falls to this level, which is verified to be bounce back. if the market is controlled by retailing trader, not institutional trader, not smart money. Or if smart money wants to go down, like brace close, then I will quit. If this candle close underneath this sideways area, I will quit. The thing is that ES for this candle, ES already engulfed, but NQ does not. So that's why I'm feeling hesitate to put, and I put a limit order right there. Oh, it looks like close above. It closed underneath. Here. Let's see here. Oh. Okay, ES get rejected. Still defended by the lower bow. But NQ shows like downward intention. Let's see the close of this candle. Things are not looking good. See, there are momentum to go down. Go down. Two more minutes. Now RSI has reached this level. So probably will close and align this and then start to bounce back. I don't know. 49. Okay. One more minute. Now it shows downward breakout, so I should go short, but a little bit intimidating because this is uptrend. So unless it confirms the downward breakout, then I will hold this trade. See RSI already arrived here, so we'll see how it behaves like here. If you're gonna bounce back, okay, continue down. Okay, keep continue down. Then maybe I need to leave the trade. I need to set my stop loss here. Maybe here. So eventually arrive here. Which means if I do not conduct like very close trading stop loss, I can make 250. ES is trying to break down. NQ is trying to break down. Let's see. I'm gonna turn down the manual stop loss. Now it has not exceeds this line. It looks like the defense is still effective. If it creates a lower low, then probably need to stop. Oh, yes. Yes, confirm a very solid downward. Then chances are that NK will follow. Okay, then let's just wait for the breakout. It looks like RSI divergence. Let's see the retest, see where it is, and look for. But now it's still a retest. Now it does not close. Just see ES shows a very solid something downward. So probably like NK will follow and just quit. Oh. So okay, it stops to bounce back after I quit. And that's trading. Overall, this is about yen at 2200. Need to wait and see if this candle is engulf the previous one. But for ES, oh my God, look at ES. It's very difficult to engulf. Although it bounced back from here to here. No. So for NQ, just some, I don't know. Yeah, it keeps continuing downside. If NQ shows some engulfing, then I can always trade ES. So don't feel formal. One more minute. No, it's not engulfing. It continue down. Cannot say for sure. So star and long rejection outside. So we'll see if this is a river. If this is a river pattern, then that's easy to recognize. But another possibility is that while NK is sideways here, yes, because this candle is consolidating. Well, sideways is good. Then this way I need to see engulfing candle. Because this is still upside. Need to look for long opportunity. Uh, See, it does not break here. If it break to the downside, then just keep waiting. This is a retest. Do not go short at this time unless it breaks. Obviously, it breaks somewhere here. See, even it retest to here. Oh, it got rejected here. So even you retest to here, it's still uptrend. This is previous resistance. Oh, we'll see. Okay, very strong downward momentum. It looks like the RSI divergence is effective. Mm-hmm. We'll see. It should have some sideway around here. If it bounce back like this, then this is too big volatility. So at least two candles away. Cannot trade like this. Um, yeah, it's breaking out to the downside, but it's still uptrend. I cannot go short. Look for a long opportunity. Mm-mm, mm-mm. You get rejection here and there. Maybe it's just a retest. I'm not there to go long based on this setup. I mean, I trying to look for long opportunity, but not at this time. Because this is not a reverse pattern. It already shows a consolidate and stretch. Consolidate, stretch. So this candle is supposed to be stretch, consolidate, but this is more obvious because it shows this consolidation. This is like 5 minute, it consolidate in the 5 minute. Okay, it's still not a downtrend. It could probably be a retest. We'll see this one. Very difficult to trade. Very, very difficult. See, this is a retest to here. And then it's possible it continue to go down unless it has an engulfing. So even it breaks then and close above this trend line, this could be a liquidity and bounce back something. We just need to see where it starts to bounce and where it retests. That's one of the lessons I learned. Not only does this 5 minute, okay, 5 minute trigger and does not close underneath the trend channel, but even there's one or two 5 minute candle bounce close and stay out of the trend channel, it could probably mean a liquidity sideways. So the same pattern can appear in different time frame. Sometimes the smart money want to trap the 1 minute chart trader. Sometimes the smart money want to trap the 5 minute chart trader. So so I just need to wait and see where it bounce back. If it bounce back here, then this is the new lower low. I should make it here. If we continue down, that's fine. Just lay it down. But you can see the RSI is so low, 44, but price action is still here. Keep going down. Okay. So I get full to go a long trade here because there's an engulfing. And on NQ it's almost engulfing. So I see, okay, and here ENA 21, ENA 21 and lower bow, then both ES and NQ shows very strong biodefensing. So this trend channel is still effective. So I just go the long trade here and I get full. And I get full. It keeps going down. But it's still an uptrend, I think. You just need to wait. Okay, critical price level, previous previous resistance. Then we'll see. We have fair value gap here. We have fair value gap here. Now it returns to fair value gap. We just wait for the downward engulfing and go long. We're still trying to look for long opportunity here. We're still trying to look for long opportunity. but we're not sure if we're gonna retest this one somewhere here. Point 6 is maybe here. If we count this one to here, then point 6 is around here. But we'll see. It does not necessarily need to reach like point 6. As long as it shows upward engulfing, then I'll go long from there. Cannot go short because it will bounce back anytime. Even it shows okay, very very strong like downward. It just it just checked me by showing upward engulfing at the boundary of this and then keep going down. Okay, check me. But anyway, something like this just conceal the RSI divergence. If a RSI divergence, then it's supposed to like go very low and maybe go into the green area, like oversold area. But if it doesn't, then this already conceals the RSI divergence. Then, yeah, still need to wait and see. So this is like stretch, breakout, consolidate, stretch, and get back, and consolidate here, and stretch. So this candle is supposed to create a lower low. Yeah, keep going down somewhere around here. I'm expecting somewhere around here. Then it starts to bounce back. RSI already go very low, while the we can see the stay price level here, the RSI is 66, while it goes here. So I'm not trying to predict. I just follow. I need to see a solid evidence. Need to see a solid evidence, right? Oh, somebody just trying to defend here. Some bias. Maybe I'm wrong. Mm, Uh-oh, keep going down. Mm. Oh. Mm. Refunding. Oh. As long as it's not engulfing, but it's a little bit difficult to engulf like this. Mm, but at least maybe I can show 2 more minutes. We'll see. If this is engulfing, then we can always trade ES. Okay. Mm, then just cancel this one. Because NQ already engulf, then probably ES will follow engulf, which prove that the real support is somewhere around here. So I will probably add a complementary order here. If you retest here, I will increase position. Okay, engulf. What about yes? A little bit less. Not completely engulf. Almost match, almost even. But NQ already engulf. So add a complementary order here. See if you're gonna retest to here. Oh, oh. So the RSI is so low. Yeah. And is way lower than here. And here, you can see this is a divergence. It's still like uptrend. Look for opportunity to go long. And okay, I guess I don't need this 100. But look, I'll see how it reacts to ENA 21. If it gets rejected, then it's still like now trend. this becomes a new resistance. I will see. That's the case. Yeah, breakout. And if you get rejected here to here and show a downward engulfing, then that's where I need to quit because that means that this is a breakout and retest and continue breakout to the downside. Otherwise, it should continue and to the up. If this is a liquidity sweep, as I say, it shows this pattern. So to trap people, go short, go short. But look at here, look at us, I so low, something here, and this price action, there is a divergence, severe divergence here. So whenever there is some engulfing upward, I just go long. Always look for opportunity to go long. Stick to my principle. Stick to my trading principle. But keep in mind, this is possible that it retests the lower bound of the channel and fall back. So we'll see a couple more candle. This candle looks like a consolidate. As long as together, these two candles together can engulf this candle, I'm fine. I mean, you have done a job, good job. But for NQ, is one single candle already engulf the most recent, and together these two, then engulf this two, which is the journey after the breakout. Oh, it breaks. Let's see if we can close above ENA 21. Oh, let's see. Okay, it reaches the lower bound of the channel. We'll see if it breaks. Then okay, this is not a test. Otherwise, I guess I don't need this, but instead I need something to defend. Yeah, I need to defend a little bit. Sell. Yeah, I need to set a stop loss. Just in case it reaches the lower bound, lower bound of the channel and it fall back because it's possible breakout, retest, and keep falling down. So I just need to guard it. At least I make some profit for this trade. But if this is a liquidity sweep and keeps going up, then you should eventually arrive here. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. See, it gets rejected. Can you break out? Boom, 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 boom. But for NQ, it looks like it's just a liquidity sweep, outbound a little bit, and then stop something. So, so it keeps going up. See, very strong momentum going up, and eventually arrive at here for ES. Yeah, higher high, a little bit higher high. in that way. Boom, 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 boom. So if this is liquidity speed and this one is super strong, I'm not sure what happened, but it looks like it keeps living in this slow market. It leaves so much fair value gap. Oh my God, this is very straightforward upside. Okay, be careful around here because this is a verified sideways battlefield. I'm pretty scared. I'm pretty scared. Um, we'll see. We'll secure like at least 200 profit. Just in case we get rejected. This outbreak. So this is maybe a little bit slow and push back, consolidate, whatever. Mm. See NQ get rejected for quite a while, for quite some distance. What about ES? If you fall back to 250 and I just need to take profit. Okay, keep going up. Nice. Last minute. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, see the next candle. It just stay here for quite a while. So we'll see. Oh, keeps moving up with strong momentum. In this way, once you retest to here, and I'll quit. At least I get 300. Oh, 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 what's going on? What's going on? Almost, almost. Come on. It's only 500. Not that difficult, right? Keep going up, push, buyers, buyers. uh, I think you're gonna eventually arrive right there. Hey, hey, couple of takes. Come on, only couple of takes. You will eventually get there, right? But anyway, I'll move my stop loss. Oh, nice, nice, nice. 500. 500. I'm fine. We are done for this trend. Okay. So this trend, even it goes to the moon, we will not get in the middle. So I got this trend. Be patient, patient pays off. And I realize this RSI divergence, and I see this engulfing as the signal for the termination of this downtrend. So, okay, NQ, the reason I don't trade NQ, if I trade NQ, I should make more money. But the reason I don't trade NQ is because NQ is already engulfing, while ES is falling behind. So I just trade ES. Okay, it will go up. It ends up, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. That means in this upside, like this upward market, if you go short, you are against the trade. It's a little bit risky, and that's why I'm so intimidated. I trade my stop loss very tightly and get kicked out fake by this fake reverse signal. And the thing is, if the fake signal happens somewhere in between, then I would not count it. The thing is, it happens at exactly this after it gets rejected by this lower bow and this ENA 21 and push up. So this fool me. Oh damn, fool me. So I lose the second trade. Um, it's already signed. It's already signed. So I will not pay attention because the next entry will be wait for the retest. The retest is somewhere here and show up our engulfing. So at least like 4 candles away. 4 candles at 20 minutes. There are 20 minutes something I can work on something else. So I don't pay close attention at this time. Yeah, it shows some downward intention. Then do you want to go short? No. Very strong upward momentum at this time. And overall market is big. Yeah, overall market is uptrend. And this see, it keeps going up. So even you arrive at the upper bow of the channel, don't go short. You say, okay, I may probably need to, I can probably make more, but don't go short. Just because it arrive at the upper side, because we see the liquidity speed, and it could go straight up to the moon. Otherwise, it consolidate and maybe show some downside. You can try the short here, but be very cautious. Be very cautious and conduct like very tight trading stop loss. Because whenever you trading short at this time, it is against trend. You need to understand you are against the trend, so be cautious. Of course, I'm not saying whenever, who knows if this is going to be a reverse side, the beginning of the reverse side. I mean, even it's reverse side, it breaks. Then if it goes straight down without any like flag, without any like retest, okay, this is not my trade. Regardless of like a couple of hundreds of points on ES, then I just don't on board on this trade. But if it breaks and then retest and showing down, okay, I recognize this is already downtrend. I will trade from there. I will never trade from here. Here, this part is still retest. it's not reversal. It's still retest. So whenever I see this, I see this in NQ, and for ES it's a little bit less, then I just get on board. I just get on board somewhere here and take profit maybe here. Already 500, I'm happy. We'll see. Yes, and NQ keeps bullish. Going up. Kindly use the link. Use the link below to schedule the time that works for you. Make a schedule. Yeah, no need to look at it. You dare to go long? So many fair value again right there. One, two, three. Oh my God, what's this market? What happened? What's the news coming out? So many fair value market here. And for this one, it only retest the first one. It does not even retest here. So many fair value again, it will retest anytime. So I'm not there to go long. Of course, I'm not there to go short. Who knows how far this super crazy long journey gonna go? No, no way. Even NQ shows them reluctant to go to continue going up. No, no way. Let me see, 13. Oh, oh, what happened? What happened? It got rejected at this. It got rejected at here. So you want to retest? Okay, one more minute. We'll see. This is interesting. So there is some divergence. NQ wants to go back, but yes, still green. It seems like a consolidation. Oh, we'll see this one. Okay, still keep going up, keep pushing. Now the upper bar has some resistance, it seems. Okay, okay, it's too difficult to engulf this candle, but it's relatively easy for NQ to engulf this, but it's not that easy to engulf this one. But anyway, as long as it shows a reverse setup, they are getting to the trade. But with cautious, of course. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Mm. But the profit goal will be here at EN21 and the lower bound this channel. Because as I say, this is against the trend. Overall is upward. But let's see. Okay, arrive here. So potentially has some divergence. Not obviously. For yes, it keeps going up. For NQ, yeah. I guess I'm gonna put a buy order here. Mm, it's a little bit risky because I don't wait until the completion of the candle. So anytime you will reverse. But from NQ chart, that is like consolidate, some rejection at the boundary, and still 7 minute. Yeah, I still want to maintain this very conservative. So once it creates a lower low, quick. Only 2 minutes for this 5 minute candle. We'll see. ES keep going up. Yeah, the thing is ES keep going up. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. ES is trying to break out. Mm-hmm. There are some consolidation here. Okay. Looks like it's engulfing. Great. It's still lower high. So it feels like this is consolidation. But ES already show it's not a consolidation. It's a consolidation and stretch. Uh, it's not easy to set any take profit or any line in this chart. But from ES, it's keep going straight up. From NQ, okay, consolidate, consolidate, and engulfing. Okay, so I can go long from here and see. Even add a complementary order here, but if it close underneath here, then I will quit. We'll see. Hmm. Or maybe I should move this to unit 21. Oh no. Retest to here. That means originally I said limit order will get triggered. But yes, already shows green, green, green all the time. There's no retest, just keep going up. Ooh. Three more minutes. We'll see. Oh, yes, just breakout, but get some rejected, but it's still green. Uh, I don't know. Mm, 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 mm. So to set it here will be triggered, and just need to stick to my trading principle. Just set the limit order here and don't trace the high. Now I go long at the upper bound of the sideways. That's not correct. If it's sideways, it does not keep continue going up, then I'm gonna get full. I get full. Oh, it looks like sideways. After engulfing, is consolidating. Finally. Mm. So buyer just step in after the sideway, allow there, allow this area. Maybe I can set a stop loss somewhere here and trading. It's just, I don't know how far it will go because there are so many fair value gap, but it has consolidation here and keep moving up. From NQ, the reason I trade NQ is I don't see it reach any upper bound of any channel. Yeah, I don't see any. Well, let's see. Okay, there is some middle line right here. Middle line. I quit this trade because I'm not feeling safe. It's too far away from ENA 21. Even it's a consolidation and potentially it will going up, but it's just too far away from ENA 21. So many very fair value gap, even it retest to ENA 21. All close underneath. So many fair value gap here. And this retest, this one. So I'm not feeling comfortable. But I don't think that it will fall down. I just saying I don't have confidence in this setup, in this entry. So I just quit. If I stick to my trading principle and my entry is here, then maybe I'll stick. I'll probably like move my trading stop loss somewhere here and stay in the trade and see what's next, what happen next. then I'm gonna probably miss this trend. So sometimes I just still need to stick to my trading principle, my entry. But we'll see. I don't know. Anyway, make some money. That's great. That feels great. $23. Uh, yeah. Even you look at ES, around EN21, there are so many fair value gap to be retested. It's not necessary. I don't necessarily mean that it will retest, but there are some potential like this. After all, it has been green for so many candles. It has been green for so many candles. Yeah, I'm not sure which one you're gonna retest. Maybe it did one, this one, this one. But for point six, it's probably like this one, just close about. So if I see it retest here and upward, I'll go long from there. That's where I'm feeling safe, but not at this time, not at this point. Oh, we'll see. Okay, he ends up is not to get rejected. I don't care how you move. It's just not my setup. I don't feel comfortable, so I quit the trade. Ah. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Another consolidation. Video went pop. Review upside. It's not my setup. See, every time you just retest to ENA 21, retest to ENA 21. So maybe this line is where we can go a long trade. We'll see this one. Then I don't need this line. I probably need some cleaner chart. I need my chart to be clean. Yeah. Okay. Yes, already shows downward. Um. Right. NQ still shows some upward engulfing. No, not engulfing yet. So once it's engulfing, I'll probably need to quit the trade. I can always add one more. Let's see the completion of this candle. So the retest starts. That's my hypothesis. The retest starts. Very nice. Yeah, this is the not greedy. This is the my expected like like take profit. At least you retest to here and we'll see. Because this fair value gap has been retest. So maybe this one. And for point six, the point six is around here. But I don't expect every time just retest point six. So I think this is reasonable. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Oh, you engulf, and that's another story. What about yes? Uh, NQ shows a strong upward momentum. If this candle does not engulf here, then I just need to rethink of this trade and maybe quit early. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Lose. Is engulfing, engulfing. This does not look right. So once I have some micro profit, just quit. But ES already show lack of upward momentum. See, yes, you cannot push back. Lack of upward momentum. keep going up. Let's see. 3 more minutes. Where this candle will go? That means the upward momentum is still strong, very strong. And it engulf this one, uptrend continues. Mm. But ES already engulfed both the two bearish candle. Oh no, he rejected a little bit, but at least engulf this one. For NQ, engulf both. That's not a good style. And get some rejected, maybe. RC very close, 1 more minute. But so far it does not look right. It does not look right. But it has not outbreak this, so it could probably like double top. I don't know. Once it create a higher high, I will quit the trade. But it's not easy to set. See easy? No, not easy to set any line on the upper side on this in this chart. So oh, ES does not engulf, but NKO engulf. And the unit 21 catches up. Does not feel good. We'll see this one. See, yes, does not. Oh, it's even. So it keeps falling back. See if we can engulf to here. Just look at ES because look ES shows some downward, still downward momentum is just consolidate here. But I'm not feeling comfortable. Maybe I need to flatten once I get some micro profit. Oh, even ES want to go up. ES want to go up. Mm. Uh-oh. ES go up. Go up. So should not try to challenge the retest. Nobody knows how fast it's gonna end. I saw it's gonna at least retest some FVG, but no. Only two candle and it's ending. I only make this. And some our reverse engulfing. 3 more minutes, we'll see. Okay, this is sideways. So ES and NQ has until somebody is breaking out. But there could be some divergence, like ES is going, it shows up green and NQ shows some red. But after all, both are sideways around this area. ES is trying to go push up. Hmm. Oh, 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 oh. Because ES already break out. So things are not looking right. I saw you go start retest after this consolidation. I can check again. Hmm. We'll see. Now it's sideways. But ENA 21 keeps going up. So the space keeps like okay, I guess I just stop here. No, it's on the way. 469. Happy. At least it's better than nothing, right? Hmm.